okay-ish. We're really grateful to be here for this event. We absolutely are having a blast in the wind and the dust. Thank you, Chip, for running sound for us and everything. We're having a good time. Yeah. It's because, oh, I can't say that in the microphone, huh? I won't say that in the microphone. I'll tell you when I'm done. Here it comes. If it were for the wind.
Hey, if you're...
Go ahead. Go ahead, Chip.
Yeah, grab a tent if you're close. Feel free to grab a pole. Here it comes.
Provide the music.
I'm going to bring my goggles tomorrow.
I'm going to bring it. Oh, I lost my tea.
I can't remember how the damn thing starts. It's on 2, 1, 2.
I know that. Okay,
yeah.
yeah.